Sa mga suntuweds na problema, no, how to fix their guest list involving family members, maraming adjustment talaga kayong gagawin dyan. Because you need to please everybody in the family. Sa ayaw mo sa gusto. They expect you to please them. Kaya pag may isang na-miss ka dyan, hindi mo na-invite, sasama loob niyan. Lalo masakit nito kapag senior ang involved, matanda na, or lalo na kung parents natin yung involved, talagang sasama loob niyan. And he will carry it all throughout his or her lifetime. Magiging regrets yun, magiging sumbat yun, all the time na makakausap ka. Kasi nag-store na eh, family event yun eh. Merong mga couples din kami na na-witness na ini-invite kahit na may other family na yung parents nila. Andun sa wedding. Hindi nga lang magkatabi sa upuan, hindi nga lang. Yes, they are civil to each other, yes, they greet, they smile, they nod. The important thing for them is they were there on your big day, on your very special day. They were not neglected, they will not refuse, they will always be happy. Remembering that event.
Ayan.
And they will always come to you for support. Kasi hindi mo sila kinalimutan sa big day mo eh. Nakaalalay lagi yung mga yan. Kahit na may other family na susuporta sa iya. Laging nakabantay, nakasupport, nakamonitor, hoping to extend any help in case na kayo ay magkaroon ng problema. So that's the lasting effect, positive, na pwedeng mangyari if we don't disregard any family member.